We'll guide you through how to set up Wix URL forwarding. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Wix dashboard and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, go to the sidebar on the left and click on Domains. This is where you manage everything related to your domain names. Once you're in the Domains section, locate the domain you want to set up URL forwarding for. Click on Advanced next to that domain. In the Advanced section, you'll see an option labeled URL forwarding. Click on that to proceed. Now you can choose to forward your domain to another URL. If you want a specific page or an external site to open when someone visits your domain, this is where you set it up. Enter the destination URL in the field provided. Make sure you include the full URL with HTTP or HTTPS at the beginning. You can choose to forward your domain with masking if you want the original URL to appear in the address bar instead of the destination URL. This is handy if you want to keep the Wix domain visible to users. After you've entered the URL and set your preferences, save your changes. It's important to note that DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate, so the forwarding might not work instantly. If you want to check if it's set up correctly, try visiting your domain after a little while and see if it redirects as expected. Always double-check the destination URL for typos to ensure it forwards correctly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.